So, good morning, students. So, today we will be discussing the remaining topics of this chapter. Okay, so these are the remaining topics of this chapter number 3. That was first we have discussed copying a folder and what renaming a folder. Now we will discuss how to move a folder from one place to another. Okay, so how will you move a folder? So when you move a file or a folder, it is moved from the original location to the new location. Okay, so from one location to another location we move a folder. Suppose from take example, you go from your home to your school. Okay, so you are moving from one place to another. So similarly you can also move your folder from one place to another. Okay, to see to move a file or a folder, we follow the step mentioned below. Okay, so these are the steps mentioned here. Okay, so step number 1, you have to right click on the file or the folder to be moved. So here is the file. Okay, so this is our file. See, this is our file CC presentation. We want to move it to another folder. Okay, so how will you move it? Okay, so you will right click on it. Okay, so step number 1, what it is written? Step number 1, right click on the file or the folder to be moved. So you will click on here, right click, then step 2, what we will choose? Step 2, this is your step number 2. Choose cut from the shortcut menu that appears. Okay, the file disappears from the original location and the file is temporarily stored in the location called clipboard. Okay, so there is a thing called clipboard. So if you want to move a file, okay, so this is in a folder, you will click on cut. Okay, next what you will do? No, first of all you will right click on it. Okay, you will right click on it, then next you will click on this cart option. Okay, you will click on this cart option, then step number 3, what you will do? Right click on the location where the file or the folder is to be moved and choose paste option from the shortcut menu that appears. So from one place to another, see, I am explaining it here. Okay, so see, this is your folder. Okay, suppose this is your folder number A and it is in drive C. Okay, this is your C drive of your computer. Okay, so you want to move folder number A, okay, from C drive. Okay, folder number A from your drive number C to folder number B. This is your folder. Okay, folder number B to, wait, let me explain, folder number B to drive number D. Okay, so this is our drive number D. So you want to copy this folder, okay, folder number A to drive number D. So first you will select what? You will right click on it. Okay, you will right click. Okay, RC means right click. In short I have written right click. You will right click on it, folder number A. You will right click on folder number A, then you will select the cut option. Okay, then you will select, right click, cut option. Okay, you will select the cut option here. Okay, then you will go to this folder number B. Okay, after that you will go to this folder number B and you will again click on paste option, paste, PASTE. You will click on paste option and this folder will be moved to this particular folder. Okay, clear? So I have explained it and now you will discuss how to delete a folder. Okay, to delete a folder you need to also do certain steps. Okay, so what it is written, see, sometimes you want to delete files and folder that we no longer need. Okay, so you want to delete some files or folder that you no longer need. There are various ways to delete them. So there are various ways to delete your file or folder. Okay, to delete a file or folder we right click on the item and then choose delete option. Okay, so similarly to go, you will go to this particular file or this file also and you will just right click on it. Okay, right click and click on this delete folder. Okay, from the menu, so you will click on this delete folder and delete option and your file will get deleted. Now see, alternatively we can delete the file or folder and press the delete key on the keyboard. So there is a delete key on your keyboard. Okay, if you don't know, if this is your keyboard, okay, suppose this is your keyboard, okay, like this, no, keyboard, there is a key called delete. Okay, it is, wait, there is a key called delete, it is written DEL. Okay, so it is a delete key. Okay, so if you click on this delete key, suppose this is a folder number A on your monitor, this is a computer monitor. Okay, so you want to delete this folder, so you will right click on it again, RC, right click, and not you don't require to right click on it. Okay, if you want to delete it permanently, okay, without using right click, you will just select the folder using left click. Okay, C you will left click on it, and you will simply, this is your step number 1, and you will, this is your step number 2. Okay, you will simply click on this delete button. Okay, you will click on this delete button, you will simply click on this delete button, and this folder will get deleted. Okay, so it is explained here. Whichever you may choose, the dialog box appears and shown in figure 3.15. Okay, so it is in the next page 3.5 bar, asking if you sure about sending the item to recycle bin. Okay, so whenever you delete any file or folder, it goes to your recycle bin. Okay, so recycle bin, all the deleted files and folders are stored in the recycle bin and can be retrieved. Okay, if you delete from the recycle bin, then these files or folders are deleted permanently. Okay, so see, if you want to delete anything from your computer, see, you will come across this confirmation message. Okay, so if you click on this, it will go to your recycle bin. Okay, now searching for a file, suppose you want to search a file in your computer. Okay, what you will do, so sometimes we forgot that we have saved our file in our computer. Okay, looking for it in all folders will certainly take up a lot of time. Okay, an easier method is to search using the search tool present in the top right of the computer folder. So in every computer folder you will find this search tool over here. Okay, so this is your search tool, you will search your name of the file or folder. Okay, so suppose here it is written notes. Okay, so you will search this notes file in your computer. So what you will do, you will type here using the keyboard notes, and you will click enter. Okay, so you will first of all use click on this notes, this bar, and enter notes. You will enter by your notes or any file name. Okay, suppose you want to search any picture of a flower, so you will write here flower. Okay, you will write here flower, and you will click on enter. Okay, and see here they have written notes. Okay, so after clicking enter, see notes, see this is in yellow, na, this thing is in yellow, so this thing has popped up. Okay, the notes thing has popped up, you have searched here notes. Okay, here you have searched notes, no, and see after searching notes have appeared here. Okay, so this is how the search button works in Windows. Okay, so see what they have written, the results matching the words keywords are displayed here. So notes. Okay, we can also search for a file by using the search box present in the start menu. Okay, so there is a search box in also in the start menu. Okay, so here also they have written notes. See, so how will you do? Step 1, search the words here in the search box. So notes is written here, so see here notes. Okay, notes, see it has appeared here, anything you search here will appear here, and on the folder anything you search here, it will appear here. Okay, so this is how the search function works in Windows. Okay, so this was the last topic of your chapter number 3, students. Please go through this video carefully, and if you find anything confusing, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, and I have seen only few students are watching the video, which is very bad. Okay, if you don't understand anything in the class, you will not be able to write in the exam. Okay, so take your classes seriously. Okay, take your classes seriously, watch the videos, see I have explained it so clearly. Okay, So watch the videos. If you don't understand anything in your video, just ask me or drop a message in your group. Okay, I'll be explaining the topics that you have not understand. Okay, so thank you for your today's class. Okay.